Hey there, welcome you all to our channel K Edifiers, and I am Neena, and in this session or in this video we are going to start past tense. As you all know, all the tense has four forms, that is and past tense has also four forms, that is past simple, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. One by one we will complete all, but today we are going to complete the first one, that is past simple. Am I clear? But in past simple, if you want to form any sentence, or if you are going to form any sentence, first of all you have to know the use of verb to form. Okay, so what is the verb to form? All the verb have three forms, the present form, past and past participle, like go, went, gone. So here we will use the verb to form of the verb to form. Am I clear? So here I am going to write the structure for you to form any sentence in past simple. Subject, verb to, and so in present simple tense already we have know how to form the sentences. Only little changes we have to do here to form any sentence. In present simple the structure was subject, verb 1, object, like she goes to school. Here if we are going to convert the same sentence in past simple, it will be she went to school, right? So instead of using verb 1, or in the place of verb 1, we just have to use verb 2 when you are converting the sentence into past simple. Clear? So let me take a subject, that is same thing, she writes letters. मतलब ये आपका क्या हो गया, प्रेजेंट सिंपल में वो लेटर लिखती है, she writes letter. लेकिन इसको हम पास्ट सिंपल में जब कन्वर्ट करेंगे, राइट का वर्ब टू हमें यूज करना है. एज आई हैव रिटन स्ट्रक्चर हियर, दिस थिंग यू हैव टू फॉलो टू फॉर्म एनी सेंटेंस इन पास्ट सिंपल. सो शी राइट्स लेटर इज द प्रेजेंट सिंपल, बट इन पास्ट सिंपल इट विल बी शी रोट लेटर्स. वो लेटर लिखती थी. हाँ, क्लियर? She wrote letters. But here in this video I just want you to know how to convert the sentence into negative form and into interrogative form, right? Suppose you have to convert it into negative form, like she wrote letter. Here will be she did not. You have to use the verb to form of do, okay, as it is the activity of that girl or that person. She did not. Right will be again convert into verb 1. Wrote will be converted into verb 1, that will be write. She did not write letters. Here will be वो लेटर लिखती थी. यहाँ पे हमने उसको नेगेटिव टर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, नेगेटिव सेंस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, तो इट विल बी वो लेटर नहीं लिखती थी. क्लियर? बट कभी कभी होता है सी नॉट रोट लेटर्स, इट इज टोटली इनकरेक्ट. ओनली हम अगर नॉट यूज कर देंगे, हम इसको नेगेटिव फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. यू हैव टू यूज डिड नॉट, राइट? शी डिड नॉट राइट लेटर्स. ओके, लेट मी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. इंटरोगेटिव, क्लियर? इंटरोगेटिव मीन्स क्वेश्चन मार्क. इसी सेंटेंस को हम क्वेश्चन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें? क्या वो लेटर लिखती थी? हम क्या जब ऐड करेंगे तो देखते हैं कैसे कन्वर्ट होता है. तो आपका ये जो डिड हमने यहाँ पे यूज किया, इट विल बी कम टू द फर्स्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. डिड शी सेम राइट. ओके, राइट विल बी wrote. Wrote will be converted into the verb 1, as we have used the verb 2 form of the do verb, right? Did she write letters? Am I clear? Is it clear to you all? Listen, जब हम नेगेटिव में कुछ मैंने प्रेजेंट में ये नेगेटिव एंड इंटरोगेटिव इसीलिए नहीं खाता, इट इज इजी, वहाँ पे आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होता. लेकिन नॉर्मली आई हैव नोटिस दैट बच्चों को कोई भी स्टूडेंट्स को जब पास्ट सिंपल में कोई चीज़ को नेगेटिव या इंटरोगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना होता है, वो नॉर्मली ऐसे कर देते हैं कि शी रोट लेटर, शी नॉट रोट लेटर्स. इट्स टोटली इनकरेक्ट. यू हैव टू राइट शी डिड नॉट राइट दैट. That's why it's the easy way to know. You have to use did in present, past simple form. When you are going to convert any sentence into negative or interrogative, just use did, right? and the verb 2 will be again converted into verb 1. Okay, let me write another example for you. And my friend came to me yesterday. My friend came to me yesterday. My friend came to me yesterday. So मेरा एक दोस्त है जो कि कल मुझसे मेरे पास आया था. तो ये पास्ट में हुआ, come, came, come. So verb 2 form I have used here. My friend came to me yesterday. So can you convert it into negative sentence? Okay. So what will be? My friend did not come to me yesterday. Same will be, the came will be converted into come, and you have to use did, right? My friend, negative. My friend did not come to me yesterday. Am I clear? And interrogative will be did will be come to the first. यहाँ पे है मेरे फर्स्ट हमने क्या लिखा, अफर्मेटिव में क्या लिखा, ये पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है, नॉर्मल सेंटेंस. वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, मेरा फ्रेंड कल मुझे मिलने आया था. मेरा फ्रेंड कल मुझे मिलने नहीं आया था. क्या मेरा फ्रेंड कल मिलने आया था, दैट इज द इंटरोगेटिव फॉर्म. सो डिड माई फ्रेंड come to meet me yesterday? Okay, yeah, come to me yesterday. Did my friend come to me yesterday? It is the question sentence. Okay, so I hope and I think it is clear to you, and I don't think nothing much to know about this in past simple. It is the very easy one, and you must remember that thing when we start all the tense part. I have told you in my first video or second video that once you will be clear of present tense, past and the past tense and future tense will be very easy to you, because nothing to do, you just have to memorize the thing and you have to go on. It is a very easy flow. Okay, so in past simple, easy, structure is subject, verb to object. Any sentence you can convert into past simple. Suppose I will tell a sentence in the present continuous. Do you guys remember the present continuous form? That I am doing the work, I am learning grammar. So I am learning grammar. Can you convert into can you convert this sentence into past simple? I am learning grammar, I learned grammar, right? Learning is the verb. In past simple we have to convert it into verb 2. So I learned grammar. तो कोई भी सेंटेंस, वो पास्ट सिंपल में हो, पास्ट परफेक्ट में हो, पास्ट प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में हो, प्रेजेंट सिंपल में हो या प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हो, आपको अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आया, कोई भी सेंटेंस देके कि इसको पास्ट सिंपल में कन्वर्ट कीजिए या फिर इसको पास्ट प्रेजेंट सिंपल में कन्वर्ट कीजिए, यू जस्ट मेमोराइज द स्ट्रक्चर एंड कन्वर्ट लाइकवाइज. ओके, यू हैव टू पॉइंट आउट द सब्जेक्ट, यू हैव टू नो द यूज ऑफ ऑक्सिलरीज, एंड you have to know the use of verb. Just recognize the verb first. Okay, कभी कभी स्टूडेंट्स verb क्या है, सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है, ये ऑक्सिलरी कहाँ पे यूज करना है, ऐसे कंफ्यूजन अगर आपको रहता है, then kindly watch again and again the videos. Otherwise you must have grammar books. Just focus on it. It's very simple and very easy. As it is named by past simple, it is really simple, nothing to do. Okay, but don't be confused on that. And guys, I'm telling you, if you have any kind of doubt, just write me on comment box. Thank you all for watching my video.